In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify website URL. If you're looking to update your store's web address, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can make this change smoothly and confidently. To start, you need to head over to your Shopify admin panel. This is the central hub where you manage everything related to your store. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left of your screen. You'll find the settings option there. Clicking on this will open a menu filled with various options to customize and manage your store's settings. After opening the settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side once again and find the Domains option. Clicking on Domains will take you to a page dedicated to managing the various domain settings of your Shopify store. This is where you'll be able to alter your store's URL. On the Domains page, you'll see an option labeled ChangeMyShopify.com domain. This is the critical part of the process, as this is where you will make the actual change to your store's URL. Clicking on this option will allow you to input your desired new URL. It's important to note that your new URL should represent your brand effectively and be easy for your customers to remember. Take a moment to think about what works best for your business and aligns with your branding strategy. Once you've entered your new desired URL, you'll need to confirm the changes. Shopify will guide you through any additional steps that might be necessary, such as verifying your new domain or making sure it's properly set up to direct traffic to your store. If you run into any issues or have questions during this part of the process, Shopify's support team and community forums can be invaluable resources for troubleshooting and advice. It's worth mentioning that changing your store's URL can have implications for your site's SEO and how customers find you online. Make sure to update any links and marketing materials with your new URL, and consider implementing redirects from your old URL to preserve your search engine rankings and ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Shopify website URL. This new address will help you better establish your brand's presence online. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process simple and straightforward for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this video with others who might be looking to make changes to their Shopify store as well.